Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to share Logic Pro project. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Use this if you just want someone to hear your track without editing the individual tracks. So what you're going to do is head over to your files where you have them. And then what you're going to do is simply you see at the top right corner select button, so press on this one and now you can select one of the song you want to share. Now you have it again in the right corner. You see the arrow icon pointing up, so this one is for share option, so we will click on that. So as you can see like that, and now you have here copy, save to file, airdrop, iMessage. So yeah, you can really send wherever you want. You can also have here some emails if you have that option. And yeah, this is basically a pretty good way to share your project. Now, if you want basically to send another producer, what you need to do is just save this project to your computer, put it in zip file, and then share it through, again, Mail, Google Drive, some Apple, uh, then you have Dropbox, and so on. And yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.